Hey guys, you know what we're here for, right? We're doing it again. Another HIIT workout, but this time we're going to hit the abs. So we're going to hit the abs, really hitting it with some intense cardio with a few ab moves. So I want you to do the best that you can. Like I always say, pause when you need to. We're going to get started. So again, checking my notes. So first move, boxer shuffle. I always like to start off with boxer shuffle. It's like the warm-up into the workout, right? Okay, guys. So, we're gonna hit it. 30 seconds, boxer shuffle, let's go. Now, if I'm looking a bit flushed, I just finished the HIIT lower body. So, I think I sweated my eyebrows and my mascara off. So if I look crazy, ignore it. But let's go, boxer shuffle, let's go. Hit it, hit it. If this is your first time with me, I'm Shannon of 180 Elite Fitness. And according to my clients, I'm crazy. That's what they say. But I'm not. I just like to push you guys. And I want you guys to reach your goals. So I don't like to mess around. High knees, let's hit it. So, as I said, we're doing, put this down, HIIT abs. So, as we're bringing the knees up, we're drawing in our ab muscles, working these abs. Come on, let's go. In place, let's go, high knees. Relax. Next move. Whew. Squat with a twist. Get ready. And let's go. Squat down, twist. Squat down, twist. Whew. Squat down, twist. Get as low as you can, only at your range of motion. Don't do what I do if you can't do it yet. Do the best that you can. Again, if you're at phase 1, phase 2, don't compare it to my phase 5, phase 6. All right. Next, going into burpee punches. So, just finished doing a burpee. Woo! I'm exhausted. So burpee punches looks like this, guys. So you come down, punch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go down, repeat the move, and come back up again. All right? Again, twisting movements, working the abs. Get ready, and let's hit it. Burpee, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Again, this is the first round, so we're getting familiar with the moves. Remember, the first round is always like the warm-up round. Back to the notes. Going into mountain climber with a twist. Okay, so mountain climber, your traditional mountain climber, most people are used to this. Well, we're doing twist, twist, twist. That's what we're doing, okay? Get ready. And begin. Put my hands on the mat. Need a little bit of cushion for my hands. Let's go. Twist. Twist. If you just need to slow down the pace and twist, that's fine. Everyone else, twist. 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 5 seconds. and relax. Woo! Okay. Going into, oh, almost forgot, Superman. Woo. All right. So guys, on your mat, right, get ready and hit it. Let's go. Up, down. Now it's important, keep the head down. Do not do this. No. Next stays neutral. So look down and do not look up. What's your range of motion? Hold it and relax. Okay. Up. On your backs. Woo. Going into heel touches, guys. Heel touches. Getting our shoulder blades up off the mat and touching our heels. Get ready and begin. Let's hit it. Now, if you want a bit of a, you want a little bit more difficulty, touch the inside. I have a love-hate relationship with this move. Because this feels like a hot knife going through butter after a while. Really feel it. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Next move. V6. Lord have mercy. Yes, I did it to myself. Yes, V6. But hey, you got to do them. Get ready and begin. Let's go, guys. Stand out. Bring it in. This move is extremely exhausting, but we got to do it, guys. We got to do it. So, start here, but everyone else, take it up. Stand out, hold, and relax. Of course, I always gotta throw that hold at you. Always. Always gotta surprise those muscles, huh? When you think you're done, no, you're not. All right, last move in this hit abs. Plank, what else? So guys, turn here for you. We're gonna just do a plank. Now all the moves we've done for about 30 seconds, but this move we're doing for a minute. So, plank, let's go. You can do this move on your palms or on your forearms, it's up to you. If this is too difficult, if your feet are narrow, take it out wide. Again, up to you. I'm gonna take it back in. Hopefully my butt is down. Can't see the screen, so let me move over a bit. Hopefully I'm in a shot. If this, again, is too difficult, on your toes. On your knees is fine, but butt down, no butt up, please. Try your very best to keep that butt down. Draw that navel in, breathe in, blow out. Every time you blow out, feel those ab muscles tightening. Come down gently to your knees, guys. Okay, so that is the last move in this hit abs. So what I want for you guys to do, we just did the first round together, but I want you guys to complete this round 3, possibly 4 times. Again, this is your workout. If all you have time for is just this round, it's fine. If you can add that second round, do that. But I want you to push yourself, okay? I don't want any, oh, I'm just gonna do, I want you to really push yourself, guys, okay? So, again, My name is Shannon of 180 Elite Fitness. If you liked it, hit like, share if you want to share, but please do not forget to subscribe. All right, guys. Ooh, sweat's all in my eye. Take care, guys. Bye.